Okay, I just gotta get these shrimp, take a look at it. Oh, it's already peeled. Yeah, okay. I was born in Seoul, Korea, so all the food that I learned to make has been Korean. Rock shrimp, I think, would lend itself really beautifully to make korokke, which is Korean-style croquettes. I am making rock shrimp fritters with raised enoki mushrooms and a miso gravy. I'm thinking that I can use the noodles as well as some of the meat from the birria ramen. And I'm gonna be using my fruity cereal crisps as a part of the breading. I start coating my fritters with the breading. And then I'm realizing I have 6 minutes left. I need these in the fryer. The fryer. Can I share the fryer space with you?
Yeah. Definitely did not want to share it with her, but I will play nice for now.
Thanks so much.
5 minutes to get it done, chefs.
I realize I need to start plating. I'm gonna chop up some scallions. I really cut myself. I super cut myself. I realized immediately it's really bad.
Tess has cut herself. She said, I super cut myself.
This is such a bad time to get a cut.
Come on, let's go, Tess. You can finish. You can finish.
It just needs to be bandaged up real tight, super tight. The bleeding does not stop.
I think we just lost the chef. I honestly think we just lost the chef.
I think I'm losing. The medic is trying to help me. She's trying to stop the bleeding. The bleeding does not stop. I don't think it's not gonna hold together.
She wasn't even ready to plate her dish, and she is still getting bandaged by the medic right now.
Yeah, I'm just done. I'm done. There's no way I can continue.
And nothing on the plate. No plates. It's really hard to see. It breaks our hearts. You got this, Tess. Get something on the plate. Tess cutting herself is rattling me a little bit, but no matter how much I make her feel bad for her, I have got to focus on me and my dish.
30 seconds.
Stay focused.
Less than 30. Get the food on the plate, guys.
Beat the clock, chefs. Get it done.
I lose track of time, and I noticed I hadn't used these fruit crisps, so I'm just throwing on the crisp for garnish.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4,
3,
2, 1.
Hands up.
Time's up.
Chef Tess was struggling anyway, but I thought she was gonna get it together at the end.
Oof, not good.
Chefs, you have arrived at the chopping block. For your first basket, you had fruity cereal crisps, rock shrimp, enoki mushrooms, and birria ramen.
Chef Tess, nothing made it to the plate because you cut yourself so badly.
Our only concern for your safety.
You need to probably go to the hospital. You
Yeah.
need some stitches.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please go take care of yourself.
Thank you, Chef Tess. Be well.
I will. Thank you, everybody, so much.
Best of luck. Go get better.
An accident is an accident. It happens, and I can't let that speak of me as a chef. But yeah, I'm very disappointed.
I was born and raised in Mexico City, and I know I want to make tacos, and I know I want to make tortillas from scratch. I want to mix it with the Queen of Man.
Chef Thais, what are you making for us?
I am making some monkfish tacos with fresh tortillas.
Fresh tortillas. Ooh.
I appreciate her wanting to highlight the tortilla and showcase her skills. It'll be really interesting seeing how that sweetness comes through with the tortilla.
So my husband competed at Chopped, and he didn't win.
Chef Connor, you've been chopped.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Chef.
So it would be awesome if I could win Chopped.
Chefs, less than 5 minutes to wrap this up.
I'm gonna use my mixed radishes to make a slaw. I'm gonna use the raspberry vinaigrette to dress my slaw.
Cut.
I see my finger bleeding, and I'm like, I don't even know when I cut myself. This cannot be happening.
Thais just cut her finger.
She is struggling.
Glove.
Yeah. 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 Thank you.
I go back to my station. It's just like nerve-wracking. I'm trying to make this happen.
Behind.
You need a cleaner station.
Yeah, I can do it here.
We're less than 3 minutes in the round, and I have no idea which of her basket ingredients she's handled.
I'm not sure if Thais is going to be able to finish.
I go back to my station. I have barely any time left. I need to get the food down.
Come on, chefs, you got this.
You guys have this.
You got to rally. 1:40. 1:40.
I have 1 minute.
Oh, Tease is back with the medic again. Apparently, her bandage is not holding up.
Oh my gosh, she's running out of time. She's not even at her station.
And 1 minute left.
1 minute, everyone.
It's 1 minute. Let me plate, please.
I'm really worried
Let me
Tease
plate.
is not going to play
She's
at
not.
all.
This is. Oh my God. Thais,
Quickly.
you got it. Come
I'm good
on.
now.
Let's get it on the plate.
Every second counts.
Let's go.
Can I help you? Shock me. You want Radicchio on next? No, I'm gonna do some meat.
And Eliza, I believe, is heading over there to help her,
Oh, Eliza,
which is fantastic sportsmanship.
I'm not gonna get you good? Okay.
All right, chefs, got to wrap it up in 10,
Come on.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everything on the plate?
Time's up.
She got everything on.
Yeah?
I wanted to make fresh tortillas. It was risky, but I'm feeling confident that everything is gonna be worth it.
Chef Thais.
So I did a quinoa taco with monkfish and a slaw.
I personally think that this is the best utilization of the queen man. So for you to take that and put it in the tortilla, I think is a very, very smart idea. But the tortillas needed to be cooked a little bit more. But the slaw that you created with the radish and the raspberry vinaigrette in it works beautifully.
I think this tortilla, while undercooked for sure, I don't care, because it's great. It's probably the most creative thing in the entire round from any chef. But everything else on top of the taco is really under-seasoned and underdeveloped. But time management is a thing. So all of you, whoever moves on, keep an eye on that clock.
Yeah.
So what brings you here, Chef?
So actually, my husband competed too.
How did he do?
He didn't do great, and I just wanted
That's a strong motivator.
to rub it to his face.
Chef Thais, thank you.
Thank you.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Thais, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Thais, in that round, you just did not manage the clock properly. But your decision to use that queen amon and that tortilla was brilliant. Unfortunately, the rest of the basket just fell to the wayside. And so we have to chop you.
Well, thank you for the opportunity. Good luck,
Thais.
hero.
Well done,
Thank
well
you.
Good luck.
Although I'm not a chopped winner, my husband will be impressed with me because I took a big risk and I'm gonna still push myself to the limit. I'm gonna still get out of the comfort zone.
Who doesn't love belly? It's the best part of any meat. Anything with a belly always has a fat content around it. And fat equals flavor. If you don't know that, man, go read some books. I'm making a seared tuna belly with the sweet soy broth. I was born and raised in Honolulu, Hawaii, and Japanese food is huge in Hawaii. In Japanese cuisine, we like to tone down the items that accompany the meat. And a broth will do that. I measured soy and mirin, and then I added dashi to it to create that broth. I take the tuna belly, salt, pepper, and then I add it to the hot griddle. Just 30 seconds each side.
All right, chefs, halfway in, 10 minutes on the clock.
These black trumpet mushrooms. A beautiful mushroom. They've got this amazing flavor.
Yeah, black trumpets, they're just so earthy. They've got a little bit of texture, almost like al dente pasta.
I look over at the mushrooms, and all I could think about was texture. And I was thinking, let's do a tempura.
I see that Justin's got some club soda on his station. He must be doing a little tempura. Great way to start the meal, a little lightly fried bite.
I throw my mushrooms into the fryer and just let them get crispy.
All right.
With the fattiness of the tuna, I need some acidity to cut that fat. The pickled ramps have this amazing brine. I can see the mustard seeds in there. It's perfect for the vinaigrette. I taste my fish pate. It tastes exactly like miso paste. So I'm gonna take the petals off some Brussels sprouts and then add that with the fish pate for a little crunch.
God, a minute and a half. Matt does not have plates yet.
Grab my plates and I grab my fish. I'm shaking, but I'm plating. I can feel my hands shaking. I look back up the clock and I have 55 seconds left. I'm like, oh my God, go.
My heart is jumping on my chest.
Don't slow down now, chefs.
Got this.
All of them are scrambling to finish.
All 4 of them. No one is finished.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
I'm very happy that I got everything on the plate. I Hail Married that ramp vinaigrette, that's for sure.
Justin's work. What have you made, chef?
I made a seared tuna belly with a sweet soy broth, blistered Brussels sprouts, tempura trumpets, and a ramp vinaigrette.
All right. Tell us where you work.
I'm the executive chef of the Ultimate Fighting Championship.
I'm just envious that you work for the UFC.
Yeah.
Do you know anybody? Can you hook him up?
Come on down to Las Vegas, let's go.
Okay, I gotta be the bearer of a little bit of bad news. You actually sauced 2 of our plates, Alex's and mine, after time ran out.
3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
So the 2 of us are gonna have to kind of discount the pickled ramp vinaigrette.
Yeah, 100%.
So you've got 2 sauces in here. I got both of them. So there was the soy sauce base.
Yeah, so it's a sweet soy broth, and then the other sauce would be the ramp vinaigrette.
Well, I have to say that the actual vinaigrette, it's delicious.
I love the Brussels sprouts in here. They illuminate that sour note from the fish pate, and because they're basically raw, they can stand up to the soy.
Yeah.
And I like the sear on the fish. I like the broth with that.
Yeah, I agree. It does have a miso vibe, and the tempura batter is well done. If this dish was not good and you left off an ingredient, your ship would be sank. But this dish was very good.
Thank you.
So it's not over.
Thank you very much.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Justin, you've been chopped. Judges?
Justin, you didn't get the sauce that had a basket ingredient on 2 of the plates in time. And so we had to chop you.
No problem. Thank you, guys.
Thank you for being here.
I'm so bummed. It would have been good to go on to see what's next in the basket, but it's understandable. Simple mistakes happen.
You can tell Zoya's focused, but I'm gonna get this done no matter what.
I think Kent has something up his sleeve. Who knows what he could do in a dessert round?
Chef Kent. Chef Zoe, who's gonna seize this second chance and win this time?
3 times a charm.
Zoe?
Gunning for you.
Excellent. Please open these baskets. And you must use bubble tea, papaya, coconut butter, and chocolate-covered bananas. 30 minutes to create dessert. Time starts now.
I scramble for the pantry. I get all the eggs and the entire bin of sugar so that I can arrange them on my station. The first thing that comes to mind is baked Alaska. It's traditionally a cake covered in frozen ice cream, topped with meringue and baked in the oven. And my plan is to use halved-out papaya as a vehicle, and then I'm gonna make an ice cream with the frozen banana. The last time I was here, I was in a committed relationship that was really, important to me, and the restaurant life just killed it.
Pour some sugar, ma'am?
Yes, you may. But the life of a chef is a sacrifice. I have a restaurant to run. That really matters to me. That's why winning Chopped is important. I want to redeem myself, and I have to really stick it in order to win.
Excuse me, ma'am?
Sure.
I'm glad to be here. I am. But I'm tired of getting chopped. There's something that I have to do different to be the winner. Presentation to these people is a great thing. Taste is the greatest thing. I have to remember both. This is my shot. I'm gonna make a papaya bread pudding with chocolate bananas and a blueberry cream whiskey sauce.
It looks like Chef Kent has cut himself again.
I looked down and there was a little blood. Ain't no big deal. Wash it off, get a Band-Aid.
5 minutes on the clock.
Make sure these plates are clean. Let's do what we have to do to win this thing.
The clock is ticking. There's so much on the line for me here, and I feel like I'm going out with a bang.
All right, chefs, here is your 2-minute warning.
I've got some time to try to dress this plate up just a little. This is your last impression that you're going to get to make.
1 minute, chefs. I think Kent might be grating almonds.
I can't count this man out on anything he does.
Doesn't even make sense half the time. But when he finishes and puts stuff in front of you, it's like delicious.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Next, we go to Chef Kent.
Thank you, sir. I have a papaya chocolate banana bread pudding with blueberry coconut butter whiskey cream sauce on top.
I have to tell you something I really don't want to tell you. You got blood into your food. Blood on your station. And there are some parts of the muffin that look like they could have gotten contaminated. We hate that something like this happens.
Hey, if it happened, it happened. But I am so sorry y'all didn't get the opportunity to taste it.
Well, I mean, nothing's over here. We've got a lot of things to consider.
Well, we can look at the presentation. I know that for sure. I know you don't do fancy food, but this is fancy food. Was that cayenne on there?
A little paprika to give a little color, but also to give just a little smokiness.
I mean, that's an understanding of creativity and flavor and how bringing other elements to highlight what you have here. That's real chefy thinking, man.
Obviously, this was a rough dessert round for you both. I know that waiting will not be easy. Thank you.
Thank y'all.
Thank you.
I want to be redeemed most of all to my little sweet wife. You can cut all my fingers off and let them bleed. I don't get defeated.
I fought this one to the end, and I deserve to win. But this whole competition, it's just impossible to predict what's going to happen next.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Chef Kent, you've been chopped again. Judges?
Kent, I think we would all agree that your cooking was really from the heart, but all of the elements didn't really come together creatively or as cohesively as Zoe's. For those reasons, and not just because of the dessert, we chose to chop you.
It's a pleasure and honor to be here again. Sun will come up tomorrow. It'll be a brand new day. Win, lose, or draw. Take care, my friend.
Be well.
Appreciate it.